Hi everyone, welcome to our session on getting started with React.js, and which is being organized by Google Developer Students Club, Dronacharya College of Engineering. So today's session is being hosted by Mr. Praveen Kumar, who is a full stack web development specialist, and he's based in London. And he's also an open source enthusiast and YouTuber and blogger. And I really hope this session helps you all in understanding React.js, and you find your interest in the same. I'll take turn over to Praveen to carry on now.
Thanks, Sejal. Hey, that was a very quick intro, man. And don't leave it so soon, okay? Like, we want you on the screen, right? All right. So, quick thing. So, thanks, Sejal, for such a nice interview. And I just wanted to tell that I'm a full stack developer. I have been working on the same like JavaScript technologies for more than like 10 plus years. And in case if you have any questions, like there is COVID hack going on, right? So
right.
Go ahead.
We're really grateful that you're part of our hackathon as well, which is being organized today onwards. And it's COVID Hack 21. And it's a 3-day long hackathon that's being organized. And
links are below.
Make sure that the links are right below in the section as well.
Yeah, just go ahead, find it out. And there are like loads and loads of cool prizes to be won. And
we have a lot of sponsors this time, and we'll make sure that every team, enjoys and help, they have this fun that comes with the learning and the experience as well.
Definitely. And one more thing for people who are like completely new to this hackathon kind of a thing, maybe Sejal and team can give a brief about what COVID Hack is and what they are aiming to do.
Absolutely. So we decided to go ahead with this hackathon for the first time, and it's our first time as a team to work on something as big as this. But we've had an overwhelming response, and we've had about like 150 plus teams so far, 4 participants each. And, we've been working day and night to make sure that the event has a very smooth workflow. And we have like about 8 to 9 themes that have been fixed, and students can develop their projects. And the fact that the very fact that they can only develop their projects within 3 days itself is a very interesting thing. They are not allowed to work on their projects before these 3 days, and they have to work from today onwards and just complete it by the 3rd day. So it's a very fast and adrenaline rush kind of a thing, and we've given them this opportunity to understand how there's always a deadline that has to be followed up with. Yeah.
Definitely. So most of the times I would attribute my knowledge. So if everyone says that I'm really good with technology and really good with programming, blah, blah, all these things, it's just because I have been attending a lot of hackathons and they all help me a lot. One more thing, just for this, like a disclaimer, I wanted to say, I've checked my internet connection. All my teammates who are all joined here, everyone's internet connection seems to be good. So in case if YouTube messes around with my video, just refresh the page. Definitely we are getting a blast here. So okay, so let's talk about what is currently trending at the moment. What do you think, Sejal, Rhythm? There is also Jay here. Jay, make some noise, na? You're in the background.
Yeah, he's in the background, but he's there.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Yeah. Okay, so what I think basically right now, this entire boom of going through the full stack development is one thing that, there's this huge thing going on, and I see so many students doing this all the time. And, there's this interest, and, people have this platform to work on it. And the fact that we have so much of work and projects going on open source as well is a big thing on full stack. Also, the fact that we discussed, and I wanted to make sure that people understand about React.js was because the fact that
it's been the most sought after, programming language, or like the UI library a lot. One thing I wanted to confess right now. Yeah, Sejal, you are my good friend, but she just called up me yesterday or day before yesterday and said like, let's do a workshop. I'm like completely unprepared right now. So I'm going to blame you for it, Sejal. So you just give me an idea of what we should do now. What is the trending thing? What I want it to be like extremely interactive. People should love it. That's how my live streams are mostly. So you have to take responsibility for it.
All right. No, I accept that, and I'm sorry for that. Next time I give you a 1 month notice.
1 minute notice. Okay, great. Yeah. I understand now.
1 month. I'll make sure it's a 1 month notice.
Okay.
And I'd say we can do something on the chat bot or something related to chat applications. That's very approachable. That's very connectable.
Nice. How about a chatbot using React, just the front end alone?
Perfect. Yeah.
Maybe we can do some